Good morning, fishermen. Grey drizzly day today. The water doesn't bother the fish or the ducks, so let's go and get some fish. Rightio. Good morning, fishermen. We've got a fish on. Way out there at the end of the cast. I know they're in here because I can see them moving around the surface. Can't make them bite. Can't entice them to take a spinner. It's purely when they're ready. They've got a fish on here, another one there. Another one over there. He's off. Got the drag set quite light. I'm going to use an 8-pound line, double X, nice and supple, good knot strength. I've never been broken off on it yet. Been using it for the past 2 months. The fish move around a lot out here. Obviously you move with them. Oh, there we go. A reasonable fish. I saw it, I broke the surface and I cast to it and 3 winds, bang. But she's a bit twitchy, so I'll put her back. Go on.